Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM-FM-8 track out of a 1971 Buick Centurion. This comes from Doug in Wilmington, Delaware. My goodness, thank you, Doug, for your business from way, way, way across the country. That's like about as far northeast as you can get. I'm pretty much in the southwest U.S. area. So, Randy has requested the modern internal conversion, which is going to greatly increase the output power because we're going with a new harness in place of the original common ground connectors. And he's also requested the Bluetooth and the HD radio function. So we're here to make sure that everything works before we center back. So I've got it set to AM right now to the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate our virtual balance and fader functions during talk radio, not get nailed for stealing somebody's music. So here we go.
So meanwhile, the tariff war that didn't happen. Trump holds an impromptu presser inside the Oval
front rear fader.
Addresses what happened when Canada and
fader adjust.
Okay.
Tariffs ended up coming to the table and agreeing to what Trump wanted. Number 360.
Front, rear. Say something quickly. Center.
Fader
set. Okay. Left, right, balance.
We had a great talk with Mexico.
Balance adjust.
Okay. All the way left. Right. Left.
As a woman, I
right.
like her very much. We've had good relationships, but we have to stop fentanyl from.
Balance set.
Okay. Make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
From coming in. I think we've lost 200.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Ready to pair. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. Okay, now we're on FM. We don't need this stuff anymore.
Always new. And he all.
That one drifted a
Tax
touch.
attorneys and enrolled
Reset
agents
it.
can stop collections and get it so you can
And there
take
we go.
control. U.S. Tax Shield offers a price
Alrighty, let's try the
protection
8-track.
guarantee quote to get you protected today.
I know a girl to shame. Right above in Wonderland. And as you have made my life a baby left town where our friendship ends.
Okay, pull the tape out. Radio comes
America
back.
in the morning continues. I'm John Trout.
Okay, and
The Senate
on this unit,
confirmed
the
oil
dial
industry-
light comes on with the radio because even in the daytime, you have to have the dial light on to see the tuning pointers. So that takes care of that. She's ready to go back. I'm ready to start packing some units. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And off that website, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because my work order has all my options, prices, and turn times neatly listed for you to choose from, and it's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone with each new customer. Keeps me on the bench where the work actually gets done, and off the phone where work doesn't get done. So thanks so much for watching, listening. Thank you, Doug, for your business all the way from Wilmington, Delaware, and we'll see you guys next time.